നമുക്ക് എപ്പോഴും അറിഞ്ഞിരിക്കേണ്ട പൊതുപാഠങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ചാലോ? ഇതെല്ലാം നന്നായി പഠിച്ചാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഒന്നാമനാകാൻ കഴിയും. എല്ലാവരും പഠിക്കാൻ റെഡിയാണല്ലോ അല്ലേ?
Family. Father.
Father.
Mother.
Mother.
Son.
Son.
Daughter.
Daughter.
Grandmother.
Grandmother.
Grandfather.
Grandfather.
Fruits. Apple.
Apple.
Orange.
Orange.
Banana.
Banana.
Mango.
Mango.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Papaya.
Papaya.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Vegetables. Tomato.
Tomato.
Onion.
Onion.
Chillies.
Chillies.
Potato.
Potato.
Carrot.
Carrot.
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Beans.
Beans.
Lady's finger.
Lady's finger.
Beetroot.
Beetroot.
Flowers. Rose.
Rose.
Sunflower.
Sunflower.
Lotus.
Lotus.
Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Holy books. The Quran.
The Quran.
The Bible.
The Bible.
Bhagavath Geeta.
Bhagavath Geeta.
Granth Sahib.
Granth Sahib.
Holy places. Kaaba.
Kaaba.
The Prophet's Mosque.
The Prophet's Mosque.
Vathican.
Vathican.
Kaashi Temple.
Kaashi Temple.
Golden Temple.
Golden Temple.
Vehicles. Bicycle.
Bicycle.
Auto rickshaw.
Auto rickshaw.
Motorbike.
Motorbike.
Car.
Car.
Bus.
Bus.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
Train.
Train.
Ship.
Ship.
Lorry.
Lorry.
Birds. Hen.
Hen.
Crow.
Crow.
Cock.
Cock.
Duck.
Duck.
Owl.
Owl.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Dog.
Dog.
Animals. Cow.
Cow.
Cat.
Cat.
Goat.
Goat.
Horse.
Horse.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Camel.
Camel.
Parts of the body. Eye.
Eye.
Ear.
Ear.
Nose.
Nose.
Mouth.
Mouth.
Lip.
Lip.
Hair.
Hair.
Head.
Head.
Neck.
Neck.
Chest.
Chest.
Hand.
Hand.
Fingers.
Fingers.
Arm.
Arm.
Leg.
Leg.
Buildings. House.
House.
Mosque.
Mosque.
School.
School.
Shop.
Shop.
Nature. Rain.
Rain.
Clouds.
Clouds.
Lightning.
Lightning.
Sea.
Sea.
Star.
Star.
Sun.
Sun.
Moon.
Moon.